Welcome to the List Help videos. This video will show you how to filter layers in LISTmap. Most LISTmap layers can be filtered, allowing you to display or find specific features in a layer that belong to a category of interest or have a defined attribute value. Filtering allows you to limit the features of a layer that are visually displayed on your map. LISTmap offers two kinds of filtering: legend filtering and query filtering. You can apply a legend filter direct from the legend of the layer you wish to filter. Legend filtering allows you to show and hide specific categories of features in your layer of interest. Note that if a layer is only symbolized on one category, like the Crown Licenses layer shown here, then legend filtering will not be available. For layers where multiple categories are symbolized, like land tenure, and where legend filtering is available, you will see Show All and Show None buttons in the Layer Management panel. In general, it's easiest to start by hiding everything. Do this by selecting the Show None button. Notice how this shows categories as grayed out in the legend. You can now click on the individual data categories you are interested in to make them show in your map again. To remove the legend filter, you can select the Remove Filter icon, or simply click on the Show All button to restore the view to showing all features in the layer. Next, let's look at query filtering, which lets you filter a layer to show specific values or categories of data in a layer. To set a basic query filter, select the Filter or Search Layer button. A Filter or Search Layer dialog box will appear. Select the field which contains the attribute value you are interested in, and then select the value you want to find in the Equals To section below. In this example, I have filtered the land tenure layer for features where the tenure class field is equal to Regional Reserve. If you make a mistake, you can click Reset to start over. When you are happy with your query criteria, click on the Set Filter button. To remove the query filter, click on the Clear Filter button. LISTmap also has an advanced query search function. For example, I can create an advanced query that will show all land tenure features that contain the word reserve. Users will need to understand SQL query language to successfully return results. It's worth noting that the two different filter types have different impacts on how the legend displays. As we saw before, legend filtering will grey out any legend attributes that have been removed from the map view window. On the other hand, query filtering leaves the legend unchanged, but still filters the features visible on your map. You can remove the filter by clicking on the Remove Filter icon in the Layer Management panel. Finally, note that if you wish to, you can hide the Layer Management panel at any time by simply clicking on the triangle at the top left. I hope this video has been helpful for you. If you found it useful, please like it below and subscribe to our channel by clicking on the link in the top right corner of your screen. There are more videos and help resources available on the Land Information System Tasmania YouTube channel and the LIST website, or you can contact the Client Services Help Desk by phone or email.